Let us talk about the story of a missionary couple from Chile. This is the story of Alvaro and Natalia, entitled Unexpected Missionaries. Alvaro and Natalia never planned to become missionaries on a faraway island. They were enjoying their life in Chile with their 3-year-old daughter, Catalina. Alvaro was a dentist for the Adventist Church and Natalia was a physical therapist at Chile Adventist University. But after hearing a message about Adventist volunteer service, they felt that God was calling them. Even though they were already 35 years old and believed that volunteering was only for young people, the pastor assured them that God calls people of all ages. They joined the training and applied through vividfaith.org, and they felt drawn to Easter Island. Their application was immediately accepted and they were sent in just 2 weeks. When they arrived on Easter Island, one of the most remote places in the world, they experienced a culture very different from mainland Chile. The land area was small, food was limited, and the locals did not easily accept people from the mainland. Despite this, they believed that God was guiding them. Alvaro worked in tourism to meet more people and promote the church, while Natalia worked at the local hospital. They rode a motorcycle to visit homes and give Bible studies. They also helped lead the small Adventist church, which had only 10 elderly members. They revived the Adventurer and Pathfinder clubs that had previously closed. At the first meeting, 25 children attended, and the number grew until it reached 95. The children even brought their parents to church, and one Pathfinder and his mother were baptized. After a year, they said that the mission was difficult but full of blessings. They left behind strong local leadership and active clubs. Their experience became one of the reasons why the Adventist Volunteer Service Center at Chile Adventist University is being expanded to train even more missionaries. Thank you for your generous support of this project.